Today, we're taking a deep dive into Card, one of the most popular and simple website builders out there. If you're looking for an easy way to create a personal website, landing page, or portfolio without any coding, Card might be the perfect tool for you. First, let's take a look at the homepage and the interface of Card. The design is clean and user-friendly, which is great for beginners and experienced users alike. Point one of the standout features of Card is its simplicity. Unlike other website builders that might overwhelm you with endless options, Card focuses on delivering a minimalistic approach. Setting up your website is as easy as selecting a template, customizing it with your content, and publishing. It's all drag and drop, so there's no need for coding knowledge. As you can see, Card offers a wide range of templates. These templates are divided into categories, like portfolios, landing pages, personal sites, and more. Each template is responsive, meaning your website will look great on both desktop and mobile devices. You can also modify any template, adjusting colors, fonts, and content blocks to your liking. Another great feature of Card is its pricing structure. There's a free version that allows you to create and publish a basic site. However, if you want more advanced features like custom domains, additional integrations, or the ability to add more than one page, you'll need to upgrade to one of the paid plans. In my opinion, the paid plans offer great value for the price, considering the flexibility and features Card provides. Now, let's talk about the user experience. Card's interface is incredibly intuitive. You can start building your website with just a few clicks. The editing panel is straightforward, and it's easy to move elements around or add new ones. There's even a live preview feature so you can see what your site will look like before publishing. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to access additional materials that may be helpful. Overall, Card is a solid choice if you need a no-frills website builder that's quick to set up and easy to use. It's perfect for anyone who wants a simple yet professional-looking website without getting bogged down in complicated features or a steep learning curve. If you're just starting out or need something quick, Card is definitely worth considering. Before I wrap up, if you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more reviews like this one.